fans, let's get straight into this fantastic song, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's jump in. So this whole song's fairly easy. We're going to start with a D power chord, play it once, and then just play the 5th fret on the D and the G. And we're doing that 8 times. 8 times there. Then to finish off right before we go into the verse, just play 7 D and G, 5 D and G. And that's our intro there. And for our verse, it's similar to our intro, except this time we're going to play the G power chords, so 10, A, 12, D and G. And then just go back to the 10, D and G. And do that 8 times. And right before the pre-chorus, play 12, D and G and slide down. And that's our first verse. Then for our pre-chorus, we're going to play a C power chord, hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the and, jump to a G power chord, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do that again, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the and, jump to the G. Then we're going to play G again, A to A sharp, so just moving up 1, and then just 8th notes palm muting for a bar there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that last little part. And 3 and 4 and that's our pre-chorus C. So for our chorus, we're going to start on an F power chord to a B flat, 3, 4, and on the and, jump to the C 2 times, and then back to the B flat, C, then come up to the D, back to the B flat, and then on the E string, play 1st fret, 3rd fret, open A, back to the C power chord, then we go to the D for 2, back to the B flat, to the F on the 4 and for 2, to the C for 2, B flat, we're going to hold for a bar here, so 3, 4, 1, 2, then just come up to the D. And that's our first chorus C. From there we go back to our verse. Now the only change here is we don't put the slides on the 12 at the end there. Then we have our second pre-chorus, and that stays the same as our first pre-chorus. Then we have our chorus again. Now the only change for this chorus is we don't go to that last D at the end. We're going into the solo rhythm there. So then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. We're just playing our verse again. And don't put the 12 slide back at the end. And we'll do our solo at the end. Then we have our third pre-chorus, and we've got a key change here, and we're just coming up a semitone there. So we're going to have the C sharp to the G sharp, C sharp again to the G sharp, and then our G sharp to A sharp, up to the B, and to our build up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So played exactly the same, but all 1 fret up, and that's our third pre-chorus. outro again, it's gone up a semitone. It's just our chorus. We have F sharp to B to C sharp 2 times, back to the B, C sharp, and then come up to D sharp, back to the B, and then on the E string 2, 4, on the A string 1, back to the C sharp, to the D sharp, to the B, F sharp 2 times, to C sharp. Now we're going to go back to the B and do a build up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to repeat it all again. F sharp, B, C sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, B, our little run again, up to the C sharp, then come up to the D sharp, to the B, F sharp, then the C sharp, then we're going to hold the B for 2 bars, play it again, then we're going to play 4 on the A, D and G, and then 6 on the A, 4, D and G, and then just play 8 on the D and the G and slide down. So that last part. And then to finish off, we're just doing the D sharp to the 6 on the D and the G. And just keep repeating that to the end. Now there's a small solo in there as well. We're going to bend on 21, bend and release. And then play 18, hammer onto 19, pull off to 18. And there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's tackle the solo. So we're starting with a slide up to the 12th fret on the D string. Then G, do 10, 12, 10, hammer on and pull off. Do 2 bends on the 12 on the G. Then just do 12, pull off to 10, and then play 12. Then we have this little run up, A string, 10, 12, D string, 10, 12, and then 10 on the G, with a pinched harmonic, and then go back to the D, and this is also pinched harmonics here, 12, 10, to the A, 12, 11, 10. Then we're sliding up to 10 on the B, play 13 on the E, 10, back to the B, 10, bend 13 on the B, play 10 E, bend 13 on the B, and then bend 15 on the E. So that part slowly. Then we're doing this tapping. We're going to hammer on the E string, 10, 12, 13, and tap 17. Tap on 17, pull off the 13, 12, 10, and do that again. Tap on the 17, pull off the 13, 12, 10, back 12, 13. Then just stay on the 17. Then we're going to move that up. We're going to pick the E string, 12, 13, 15, tap 20, pull off the 15, 13, 12, 13, 15, tap 20, bend and release. Then to finish off, we're going to 17 on the B, 18, 20, jump to 17 on the E, hammer onto 20, pull off to 17, to 20B, and we're doing that 3 times. Then go back to 17 on the E, and we're going to play 20, pull off to 17 twice. Back to 20B, and then do that again. Back to 20B, jump back to the E, 17, 20, 17, 20B, 17 on the E. Then we're just playing 21 on the E, play it again, and then do 20, hammer onto 21, pull off to 20. That last little part slowly. you want. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Reason to Live Guitar Lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.